Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Victorville local and long-distance movers near me. Our moving company, 3 Movers, is well known for providing customers with excellent service at a fair price. We will pack up everything you'll want with you as you settle into your new space and unload it for you as well. Our movers will be right on time, set to finish your move on schedule. Transparency is important to our customers just as it's important to us. Get a free quote so you're in the know about how much our affordable services amount to. Our movers are professionals at packing your valuables so they are secure for the long-distance move. Cruise your way to the new place you'll be calling home, and we will make sure your things get there too. As experienced local movers, we are going to hit the ground running. In just a few hours, we'll have you packed and resettled. Packing months in advance for moving week become just one easy moving day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Victorville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.